Bombshell, what's going on?
Skinny, Sophie Chocho. Where they going, my G?
Yeah, man, right, boy, it rain terrible out of door, my friend. Sophie Chocho. Yo, you know some of my white rag me left here yesterday.
Looking at the closet, let's see. The white one, looking at the closet, bro.
Nice closet, alright.
You know, say something wrong with Bombshell Sophie Chocho. Something wrong with him, you know, he come like insane, you know. He might never tell me, say no, the rag in the closet. In the closet, you know, what is this? What is this? This is RAPM, rag. See the rag, yeah? Bombshell, see the rag, yeah, Bombshell. Sure.
Boy, Bombshell. Bombshell! You know, I couldn't afford my yard. One thing with them, anytime I come my yard, you know, I cook no food, you know. And Sophie Chocho, no man, I don't cook now. I just a clean up. Michelle so far and cook. Just have some cleaning, bro. Come cook some food, man. Sure. Oh, wait, you find the rag? Wait. And I bathroom, my rag be there, man. In the bathroom, what you talk about?
I tell her in the closet. Your rag is in the closet. What are you talking about? Sure.
Bombshell come like a senile.
But kiss me neck back. Me give Skinny one instruction to look in the closet, him see him rag. Skinny, that's a rag, Skinny. Why people want to listen and follow instruction? Everybody just want to do them own thing. Lord God, Sophie Chocho, it's alright, Skinny. Me tell you to look in the closet for your rag. This is your rag. That rag you have there is Michelle rag. That's my woman rag. So, who for rag?
Bombshell, where, sir? For who? In my face, Bombshell. In my mouth. Bombshell. Yo, woman rag, Bombshell. Oh, God. You man rag Sophie Chocho, Bombshell. Sophie Chocho. In your mouth, Bombshell. Not mouth. Lord God.
This is what happened to people like you who don't follow instruction. I tell you one thing and you want to do your own thing. You're balling, boy, it's in your mouth. Sophie Chocho, you're lucky. Sophie Chocho in your mouth.